There are 7 levels of day traders. Most people are stuck at level 3 and don't even know it. A few make it to level 5, which is where everything changes. Almost nobody makes it to level 7. Today I'm breaking down all 7 so you can find out exactly where you are, what's keeping you stuck, and what it actually takes to get to the top. Level 1 is the gambler. Every trader starts here, whether they admit it or not. They just open a brokerage account, threw in a few hundred or a few thousand bucks. No risk management, no stop losses, no plan, buying meme stocks, FOMOing to pumps, holding bags, hoping they recover. Wins feels like skill, losses feel like the market is unfair. Most gamblers blow up their account in the first month or 2. The ones who survive end up at level 2. Level 2 is the hobbyist. This is where it starts to feel like real trading. The trader took a course or 2, learned candlestick patterns, RSI, and moving averages. They wing some trades, lose some, but can figure out the difference between the two. The trader blames the market, the news, and their broker. Anything but themselves. The account is flat or slightly down, but they think they're close to figuring it out. The hobbyist thinks the answer is more knowledge, so they head to YouTube. And so that's when things get worse. Level 3 is the strategy hopper. This is where most traders get stuck forever. They watch 10 different gurus, all saying completely different things. And so this week they're an ICT trader, next week is supply and demand, and the week after it's order block. They strategy hop constantly because nothing seems to work for more than a few trades in a row. It feels productive, but the account isn't growing. This is where most traders quit, or worse, they get stuck at level 3 for years, jumping between gurus and never making real money. The ones who break through all figure out the same thing, and that's level 4. Level 4 is the risk manager. This is the level where the trader stops blaming everything else and looks in the mirror. The trader then realizes that the problem isn't the strategy, it's the execution. Starts caring about position sizing, stop losses, and risk per trade. Cut losses early instead of holding and hoping, and stops moving stops once they're set. Still take losses, but the losses are now controlled. Pause the video for a second and be honest with yourself about where you're actually at, because the next level is where the real game starts. Level 5 is the data trader. This is a breakthrough level, the one where everything finally clicks. The trader at this level realizes discipline isn't enough, and that you also have to know what it's actually working on your trading and what isn't. So the trader starts logging every single trade with the setup, the time, the size, and the result, and patterns that were invisible before suddenly become obvious. This is where serious traders use a tool like Tradervue. Links in the description if you want to check it out. For the first time, they're making decisions based on real data instead of feelings. Once the trader can actually see what's working and what isn't, they do the next thing that almost nobody does, and that's level 6. Level 6 is the consistent trader. This is where consistency finally shows up. The trader knows their edge from the data, cuts the setup that don't work, and doubles down on the ones that do. They are now profitable month after month, and not just trade by trade. They still have losing weeks, but the overall trajectory is now up and to the right. Trading is no longer a guessing game. Most traders would stop there. They're profitable, they're consistent, but there's one more level and almost nobody gets there. Level 7 is the pro, the trader who treats this like a business instead of a way to get rich quick. This trader has a system and runs it exactly the same every day, regardless of how they feel. Win rate is not even that high in most of the cases, but the winners are bigger than the losers by a wide margin. This trader reviews every week, refines every month, and treats the data as a source of truth. The biggest difference at this level is that trading isn't exciting anymore. It's just work and it pays. Most traders think they level up by trading more, but the truth is opposite. You level up by reviewing more. So those are the 7 levels of traders. If you're stuck at level 1, 2, or 3, the fastest way to climb is to start treating your trades like data instead of guesses. That's exactly what we built Tradervue for. Over 2007,000 traders use it, including some of the most serious prop firms in the world. Sign in for free using the link in the description.